For about the first century or so of neuroscience research, it was believed that the brain was a rather fixed entity. By late adolescence, the brain was thought to have completely developed for the most part. Hence the term coping skills, those skills necessary to cope with what really wasn't going to change too much. And it stands to reason why such beliefs would have arisen. Observation alone would appear to support the notion that the brain reached a level of development that would stay fairly fixed for the remainder of a lifetime. Certain visionaries, however, suspected that the brain was much more malleable than that. But since one couldn't really see into the brain, the world is flat version of neuroscience reigned supreme. When certain psychologists and theorists began suggesting that perhaps thoughts themselves could change the physical landscape of the brain, that idea was considered ludicrous. That all changed with the advent of the functional MRI. With the fMRI, scientists could now watch thoughts forming and observe networks growing in the brain. Turns out the mavericks were right. Our thoughts are not mysterious spiritual entities that simply materialize. They are electrical circuits that grow in the brain. When fired, neurons emit neuropeptides that cause new dendrites to sprout, ready to connect during the next subsequent firing of the circuit. In addition, myelin, an insulating material, becomes thicker around the neuron with each firing, causing the circuit to grow and be stronger and faster. This was the veritable game changer when it comes to understanding thinking. By directing our thinking, yes, we can literally change the physical structure of the brain. This is amazing and had a huge impact on the work that I do. Turns out the world wasn't really flat after all, but I guess you probably already knew that.